Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here or if you've been here before and haven't done it yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click that bell. And now, since we've gotten that out of the way, let's get started. Question number 1. Is your scalp itching? Question number 2. Does your hand stink when you put it in your head after you scratch? That's testing time. Go ahead and take that test right quick. I'll wait on you. Question number 3. Are you looking for some hair growth? Yeah. Question number 4. Need something to just soothe that scalp? Yeah. Well, if you answer yes to all or some of those questions, guys, this video is for you. Sit back and watch it. All right, right here I have a bowl, ginger, a piece of ginger, and some organic coconut oil. And right now I'm going to take a spoon and start just, spooning off the outside of the ginger. Just cutting off the outside of it's easier to do with the spoon and safer. And it's so easy that the spoon just takes it right off. All right, all done. You just need a piece of the root, not the whole root. Right here, I took my daughter's stockings or her pantyhose, whatever you want to call them, and I'm going to use this to squeeze my ginger through it. And if you have coconut oil and it's in solid state, just boil some water and stick the jar of coconut oil in the hot water and let it melt, and then take it out and you have liquid form. And I just poured it just a little bit in the jar that I'm going to use. And I took the piece of ginger, I grinded it in the blender, and now I have it like this. And now, I'm sorry for this poor recording, guys. You can't see me, but you can't see the stocking. But right now I'm putting the ginger inside of it. I'm just filling the whole foot of the stocking with ginger. And now it's time to squeeze. You're going to squeeze the ginger while it's inside the stocking. And the juices are just going to come out while you're squeezing. But you're going to squeeze the juice of the ginger into the jar of coconut oil. Just squeeze it in there. It is not difficult. You just squeeze it over in there. It's going to squeeze right out into the jar. And make sure you have clean pantyhose, because if you don't, you're going to have organic coconut oil mixed with ginger mixed with stank foot. You don't want that. I guarantee you don't want it. But you squeeze the juice. Continue to just squeezing the juice over into the jar with the coconut oil. It doesn't take as long. You just squeeze it over in there. Now I'm finished. I'm mixing it up with a spoon. You're going to mix it while the coconut oil is in liquid state. It's easier to mix it with that ginger. And there you have it. You see that? Now we have our organic DIY ginger coconut oil for regrowth and to soothe that scalp. All right. I made me some. Went to the store. I'm back. I made me some. Watched your video. Now, let me see. Let me try it. Ooh. It's warm. It's warm. Oh. Ooh, that ginger. Ooh, that ginger feel good. Let me put some more up there. There was some more. Let me open this up.